welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started.
To start off, you need a white piece of paper like I mentioned before. So here is my white piece of paper, and I'm going to grab my black marker. So with my black marker, I'm going to be drawing a dynamite dino today. Are you guys excited? Dinosaurs is one of the favorite things my kids like, so I'm going to draw that today. Start off, I'm going to draw one eye and then the second eye for my dinosaur. So there's two eyes right there, two circles. Next, I'm going to be drawing the mouth, and here I'm going to do a pointed arrow right there. That is the mouth for the dinosaur. And then on one end, I'm going to connect it as a curve over to the eye on one side and then another curve on the bottom. Now you can see the mouth of the dinosaur. Next, I'm going to draw a head for the dinosaur. So it's like a circle that goes around. And of course, my dinosaur needs some nostrils, so I'm going to add in 2 dots right there. Next, I'm going to add in some teeth. It's going to be some sharp teeth because my dinosaur likes to make sure that he chews his food. There you go. So little triangles there for his teeth. Now I have teeth on the top and the bottom for the dinosaur. And then I'm going to draw in eyes, 2 pupils, 2 little black circles there. Of course, if you like, you can draw in maybe it's blinking or winking as well. It doesn't have to be necessarily 2 dots for the pupil. Next, I'm going to start drawing the body for the dinosaur. So here, I'm going to go from here to draw a curve. Here is going to be the tail for the dinosaur. You see right there? There's the tail that goes around. And then next, I'm going to draw the front of the body. This is the belly for the dinosaur. You see that? So it's like a circle, but like an oval, but not all the way around. So you can see a little curve. Next, I'm going to draw in to make sure that the tail connects to the end. And now you have the belly for the dinosaur and also a tail. Next, I'm going to draw in this feet. It's an L. And then another L shape, and you connect it there. And we'll draw little toes at the bottom, an L shape here. And then another L shape here and connect the toes. Of course, my dinosaur needs hands. So I'm going to draw little hands there. It's going to have 3 fingers. How many dinosaur fingers does each have had in your dinosaur? Is it going to have 3 fingers or is it going to have 4 fingers? Not sure. Next, I think I'm going to draw in little designs on its back and its tail, and it's going to be little triangles. If you like, you can draw squares or hearts or different types of patterns that you would like on your dinosaur. So here's what I have for my dinosaur so far. Looks okay, right? Not really sure what kind of dinosaur this is. Maybe it's a T-Rex, maybe it's Allosaurus. I'm not really sure. I think it's a combination of different dinosaurs. What do you think? Well, for now, I'm going to start coloring my dinosaurs. I'm going to use a light green to color my dinosaur in. Of course, for yourself, you can use different colors that you would like, or you can use a combination of different colors. Maybe your dinosaur's stripy color. Maybe your dinosaur's rainbow color. Maybe your dinosaur's purple. Have you seen a purple dinosaur before? I remember seeing a purple dinosaur a lot when I was younger. Anyways, so I'm going to color in this light green color, lime green, for this dinosaur. And I'll let you color yours too. And as I'm drawing, I think it's a good idea to start thinking about what is the story that we're trying to tell with our dinosaur. Is our dinosaur on a way for a walk? Where is it going? Is it going for lunch with a friend? Or maybe it's on its way to the volcano for a spa. So those are some ideas that you can think about so that you can incorporate little accessories or maybe like a background for your dinosaur. So here, making sure I color in all the little nooks and crannies and make sure there's no white space left behind. I really enjoy coloring because it allows me the opportunity to try out different color combinations, which can be a lot of fun. Next time, use a darker green to color in the little scales or designs on the back, the little triangles on the back. Of course, for you, you can use different colors. You can even use the rainbow color. So each triangle can be red, orange, yellow, blue, all types of different colors. So you can think about how you can make your dinosaur your own and make it special and different on its own way. Here, now I'm going to start drawing in some background. Maybe it's on top of a sandy hill, or maybe it is just walking on top of some gravel or mountain. Maybe he's heading over to a volcano to meet a friend. I haven't really decided, but I'm gonna do some brown here on the bottom for the ground that's gonna be walking in. Maybe I will add a volcano now that I mention it. I haven't drawn a volcano in a long time. How about you? I've never seen a volcano in real life before. But here I'm going to draw some red for the lava that's going to be spewing out of the opening for the volcano. And there's going to be a little bit of lava drops kind of springing out right there. It's like a little mountain, but on the top it's like flat. So there, I'm going to color in my volcano. So I hope you enjoy this drawing of the Dino so far. I had a lot of fun drawing it. And if you like these videos, you can check out some of my other drawings that I've been doing in the last few months. And I would love to hear from you if there's other drawings you'd like me to draw, whether it is another dinosaur, maybe a specific type of dinosaur, or other characters. I would love to hear from you. And here I'm just going to give him a little bit of an umbrella because he's worried about the lava splashing on top of him. I don't know if it'll be really helpful, but let's try it. So here is a little umbrella. So I think that's it. Thank you for joining me on drawing the Dino, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and stay creative, everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.